Pros, this is Mike with another Dirty Promotions video. Removal of film. I haven't removed all of it. We bagged it, there it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a shrink video for my peers, and the other video will be Cali rolling. Okay, so let me prep it real quick. A little bit of dirty sauce. Now if you ask me about Vets, Corvettes, or this or that, the Corvette has other things that are like in the way. It's not that it's so difficult, it's just the fucking shit that's like, it's in the way. This one is going to be a lot easier as far as the film shrinks and all that bullshit. Well, the shrinking's the same, it's just that I got room to work with, and in the Corvette and some other ones, Beetle, whatever the fuck. So if you inbox me, well, what about this one, Dirty? Same shit, man, same fucking shit. This is just a semi medium ass fucking curve, so your thing will be similar. So just kind of look at the technique, the heat gun, how far it is from the film, etc, etc. That's about it, man. Don't wet it here, wet it perhaps somewhere over here. Computer cut pattern I'm not gonna do here because it's got a little bit kind of a difficult curve, so we do have to do a little bit pulling and shit like that. If I fail, I will fail in front of you. I do not modify my tapes or my 8 tracks or none of this bullshit. It's just, it is what it is, right? Hopefully I don't fail, but if I do, it'll be unedited and you guys can laugh at me as hard as you want. I'm cool with that. Okay. All right. All right, man. About it, man. If it finishes in 9 minutes, I will not share a second video. I'll just leave it like that because most of the stuff that I'm gonna do is pretty much gonna be in within 9 minutes or so. Just so you know, I'm not gonna do a part 1, part 2. It'll just be this and that. That'll be that. This is dyed window film, belongs to an old man. That's all he could afford. I'm good with that. Okay, highest setting of whatever gun. You can do it however you want as far as the gun goes, but I like my shit to be blazing so I can go as fast as I can. Guns a-blazing. Man, it's already like 3 p.m. I haven't fucking had lunch. I had a protein shake. It's just that it's 105 degrees or something, and there's a lot of demand right now for work as far as like our work, tinting. So in the winter, I'm just gonna be like not worrying about money because, you know, we get all our, like squirrels, we got our acorns during the spring. And don't worry about this shit in the winter. I don't know how you northern guys do it in the fucking winter. Like my friend Felicia, she fucking can't even get out of her house because she's fucking buried in a fucking pile of snow and shit. Fucking Minnesota and fuck. Thomas Shalosky from Canada, probably the same shit, man. You guys fuck polar bears over there? Or what the fuck do you do in the winter? I mean, shit. Alright. If the film wants to go down or whatever, just assist it to be erect, straight, because that's the only way that film out of the core, it shrinks only this way, right? It doesn't shrink on the side. So if 8 fingers are sideways, kind of try to straighten them up, and heat shrink here, 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 etc., 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 okay? This is not tinting 101. This is a little bit more difficult, but if you keep on looking at the video over and over again, you'll get it. And then of course practice, man. Practice a lot. Right here is my, I can see with the light, I can see right here is my deal, so I don't have to heat shrink on the top anymore. It's getting pretty difficult anyway, huh? But well, that's when, if you have stuff you can pull. I'm not gonna pull because I don't need to. So it'll be a Volkswagen Bug pull, much harder curve or more curve in a very short area. Alright, my man, pretty much this already done. Small finger there, chase him down, put him straight like I mentioned, chase him down. Pretty much it. Whole bottom is ready. And I'll continue the other part, the other side. Guys, have a great day. GoPro, stop recording.